Hello, good morning, friends. Today we discuss chapter number 16, continue light. In this chapter, today we discuss about the care of the eyes. So, here, eyes are very important sense organ and they are sensitive too. So, it is necessary to take proper care of our eyes. We can take care of eyes by visit an eye specialist regularly. Avoid reading in dim light and very bright light. Avoid direct exposure of sunlight to the eye. Clean your eyes with cold water quickly if dust particles or small insects enter your eye. Do not rub your eye. Maintain a distance of at least 25 cm between the book and your eyes while reading. Now we have to explain the animal have eyes shaped in different ways. Animals have eyes shaped in different way. Eyes of crab are quite small, but they are enabled to crab to look all around. So the crab can sense even if the enemy approaches from behind. Butterfly has large eyes that seem to be made up of thousands of little eyes. It can see not only in front and the side but the back as well. A night bird owl can see very well in the night but not during the day. On the other hand, daylight birds like a kite, eagle, etc. can see well during the day but not in the night. The owl has large cornea and large pupil to allow more light in its eye. Also, it has on its retina a large number of rods and only a few cones. The daybirds, on the other hand, have more cones and fewer rods. Now we discuss about the deficiency of which component in diet responsible for eye trouble and what are the solution of it. So for that, lack of vitamin A in foodstuff is responsible for many eye troubles. Most common amongst them is night blindness. One should therefore include in the diet component which have vitamin A. Raw carrot, broccoli, green vegetables such as spinach and cold cod liver oil are rich in vitamin A. Eggs, milk, curd, cheese, butter, and fruits such as papaya and mango are also rich in vitamin A. Now we discuss visually changed person can read and write. Some people, including children, face with disability of vision. This disability of vision can be partial or complete, and such persons are called visually changed person. Again I repeat, some people, including children, face with disability of vision. This disability of vision can be partial or complete. Such persons are called visually challenged person. A visually challenged person usually show a marked development of other sense like the sense of hearing and sense of touch. However, additional resources can enable them to develop their capabilities further. Resources can be two types, non-optical aids and optical aids there were. Here, a visually challenged person can use two types of resources to develop their capabilities. First, we take the optical aids. So, optical aids help a person who is partially visual challenged. These aids enlarge an image or text so that they could be visible. Bifocal lenses, contact lenses, magnifiers, telescopic aids, magnifying devices, and telescopic devices come under this category. So all these are the optically aids. Now non-optical aids. Non-optical aids help a person who is completely visual challenged. Non-optical aids include visual aids like magnifying words, textual aids using a sense of touch, auditory aids using the sense of hearing, and electronic aids. So visually aids can magnifying words provide suitable intensity of light and material at proper distance. Textual aids including braille writer, slates and styles help the visually challenged person in taking notes, reading and writing. While auditory aids including the cassettes, tape recorders, talking books and others such as devices. Electronic aids such as talking calculators are also available for performing many computational tasks. Closed circuit television, also an electronic aid and large printed material with suitable contrast and illumination. Nowadays, use of audio, CDs and voice boxes with computers are also very helpful for the listening to and writing the desired text. Now we discuss the what is the Braille system. So for that here the most popular resources for visual challenged person is known as the Braille. The most popular resources for visually challenged person is known as the Braille. Braille code is used for common languages, mathematics and scientific notation. The most popular resources for visually challenged person is known as the Braille, as we discussed previously. Now, Louis Braille developed the Braille script in 1824. And there is a Braille code for common languages, mathematics and scientific notation. Many Indian languages can be read using the Braille system, and Braille system has 63 dots pattern or the characters, and each character represents a letter, a combination of letters and common word or grammatically sign. Dots are arranged in cell of two vertical rows of 3 dots each, as shown in the figure. Patterns of dots to represent some English alphabets and some common words are shown, as shown in the figure. Now these patterns, when embossed on Braille sheets, help visually challenged to recognize words by the touching. To make them easier to touch, the dots are raised slightly. Visually challenged people learn the Braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letter combinations. Methods depends upon recognition by touching, and each character has to be memorized. Braille text can be produced by hand or by machine. Typewriter like devices and printing machines have now been developed.